guys, it's Sparkle Spice, and today we're gonna make some magic with our Just Like Home microwave and mixer. Let's get started. First, we'll take our Paddle and Sky and put her in the microwave and see what we get. Hop in the microwave, Sky. Here she goes. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, it's a merpup Sky. She's so pretty, she's got a mermaid tail. Let's see how it works. We'll crank this up right over here and watch her tail fin move. Wow, so cool. Let's see how she looks in the water. Oh wow, look at Sky go. Doesn't she look good in the water? She's swimming like a mermaid. Wow, way to go, Sky. Next, let's put in our Zuma squirter. I wonder what we'll get from Zuma. We'll put him in our microwave. Here you go, Zuma. All right, let's get Zuma out and see what happened. Oh my goodness, he turned into a merpup also. He's got this really cool orange fin. Let's see how it works. We'll wind him up right over here on the side and watch his tail fin. Wow, look at Zuma's tail go. Now let's watch Zuma in the water. Whoa, way to go, Zuma. That looks great. You're such a good merpup swimmer. I like the way you swim like a mermaid. Now we've got a Rocky squirter. All right, let's get Rocky in the microwave and see what happens. Here you go, Rocky. Oh, let's see what we have here. It's another Rocky merpup. Look at him. He's got a green fin. Wow, Rocky looks cool. Let's watch his fin move. We'll wind him up. And watch that tail fly. Wow, oh, he just got Zuma. Rocky, that wasn't very nice. All right, let's see Rocky swim. Whoa, Rocky, good swimming. You really look good in the water. Wow, look at that. Go, Rocky, go. Let's put these jelly beans into our mixer and see what we get. Let's mix them up. Let's try the microwave and see what happens. Let's get our jelly beans inside. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, what do we have now? What is this? Oh, looks like a little Minion surprise egg. Let's open it up. Ooh, it's a chocolate surprise egg. Let's get this chocolate off the outside and see what's inside of our egg. Here goes our chocolate. Now we'll open our egg. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at this. Let's check out what we have. Look at all the little Minion puzzles. Really cute. Let's open up ours. Here he is. Oh my goodness, looks like he's concentrating very hard. Let's see him rock back and forth. Wow, look at him go. So super cute. Let's put some more jelly beans into our mixer. We'll get it turned on. All right, now let's put them into the microwave. Into the microwave they go. And we'll set our time. Oh, wow, what kind of surprise do we have now? This is so neat. It's a Mickey Mouse collectible minifigure. All right, let's see who we've got. Whoa, it's Minnie Mouse. Look how cute she is in her red dress with white polka dots and matching bow. And she's on this really nice stand. Oh, Minnie, you look so cute. So much fun. How about more jelly beans in our mixer? And we'll turn it on. Now into the microwave. Can't wait to see what happens. What do we have now? Oh wow, it's a Hello Kitty minifigure. Let's see who's inside. All right, here's what we've got. Time to open it up. I can't imagine which one we have. Come on out, kitty. Oh, look at this one. She almost looks like a little pretty princess or even a little ballerina. She's got a pink dress and a purple crown. I even think she's doing a little curtsy. Very cute, Hello Kitty. Let's get all of our toy surprises into our microwave. We have our Minnie Mouse, Hello Kitty, and our Minion. Into the microwave they go. Oh my goodness, we got our jelly beans back. Look at that. Thanks, Toy Surprises. Wow, they're so colorful. Does anybody remember who our second Merpup was that we got from our microwave? If so, leave it in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more Merpups, be sure to like and subscribe. All right, Chase, it's your turn. Oh no, a shark! Ah, gotta get in the water! Watch out, guys, here he comes! It's so scary! Hurry, help, help, we need help! Pups, we've got a situation, quick! What's going on, Ryder? I just got notice that there's a cat stuck in some rocks and it needs our help. Chase is on the case. Are you coming too, Rubble, Rocky, and Sky? Rubble on the double. Let's go, it's this way. Meow, meow, meow. Help me, meow. Here she is, guys. She looks so scared. We've got to help her. Can't we just climb over these rocks and get her? I'll try it. Whoa, these rocks are too slippery. Meow, try to eat your way here. They taste kind of good. That's why I got stuck. These are good. I could eat them all day. Good idea, Rubble. Let's all start eating our way to the cat. Chase is on the case. Oh yeah, these are yummy. Yay, we did it. But oh, now I'm so stuffed and I don't feel so good. Meow. Thanks for saving me, but looks like you could use a bath. Oh my goodness, look at these messy pups. I think it's time for them to get a bath. We have so much here to help them with that. We've got our toothbrush with Chase on it, some super cool bubble bath, including our bath paints with all our pups on them, and we've got some Orbeez, a big old tub for them to splash around in, and even some surprises to show you later. All right, let's get this bath party started. Come on, pups, let's get in the water. Woo! That's cold. I'm up next. Watch out, Ryder. Cannonball! I want to go next.
Yay!
Now it's my turn.
Yeah!
Chase is on the case. Here I go. Oh, I'm having so much fun in here. All right, let's do this more. There's a fly on me. Help me, Chase. Oh, Oh, thank you so much. Hey guys, want to get some Orbeez in this pool?
Yay!
All right, I'll go get them. Here they are. I'm gonna throw them down the slide. Whoa, they're really squishy. Here come the Orbeez, guys.
Yay!
Wow, look at these Orbeez go. They're so cool. It feels funny on my toes in the water. Oh, they're bouncing everywhere. Watch out, Chase. They're gonna get you. All right. I want to swim in the Orbeez too. All right, Rubble. Time to see if we can get that chocolate off your face with your yellow bath paint. All right, here we go. Let's try to get that on your face so we can clean off that chocolate. I'll just use this to rub it all in and loosen up the chocolate off of your face. We gotta get you cleaned up. Let's see if we can use this toothbrush to get some of that chocolate off your face. Hold still while I clean it up. Hey, that's helping. All right, hop in so you can rinse off. All right, Rocky, your turn to get all cleaned up, and I've got your green bath paint here. Okay, here we go, right on your little nose. That should be enough. Let's just spread it all around to loosen up that chocolate. It's even on your badge. Let's get that too. Now for a real good scrub. Let's see how it works. Come on off, chocolate. Let's get that badge. We want it nice and polished. Oh, it's really helping. Ooh, can I go down the slide? Sure, Rocky. Here you go. Woo! Sky, are you hiding in there? Come on out so you can get all clean, because you're a real mess. Here's your pink bath paint. It is all over your little chinny chin chin. Let's take care of that. Oh, it's such a bright, fun pink. I bet you love that. And hopefully it'll help us get this chocolate off of you. Time to scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's get this scrubbed off of you. Wow, that chocolate was a real mess. Okay, time to fly on in. Don't think I forgot about you, Chase. Here you go. Time for your blue bath paint. You actually don't have too much on your face. We'll just use a nice little dot right on your nose. That should be just enough to get you all cleaned up. I'm sure that chocolate tasted really good. And now we get to use this with your face on it. Perfect. Oh, does that tickle? Sorry about that. All right, Chase, you ready to go down the slide? Whoop, whoop. Okay, here you go. Woohoo! All right, you're up last, Ryder. You don't have chocolate, but you could still use a bath. We'll use this red Ryder paint. All right, here you go. Are you ready for it? Whoa! Red all over the face. Let's just spread that around. Does it feel funny? I bet it does. Now time to scrub up. Here you go. I'll be sure to get all your spikes. And your teeth. How about that? Good job. All right, time to rinse off in that water. Woo! How about, since we're still a little dirty, we make a bath paint slide? That's a great idea, Rubble. Let's do it. All right, let's use yellow for Rubble. All right, blue for Chase. Oh, doesn't that look like fun? We'll use red for Ryder. Ooh, right next to the blue. It's starting to look like a rainbow. Pink is for Sky. It almost matches the slide. And green for Rocky, the perfect touch. All right, Chase, it's your turn. Oh no, a shark! Ah, gotta get in the water! Watch out, guys, here he comes! It's so scary! Hurry, help, help, we need help! Ah, I heard the sharks hate bubbles. Someone get the bubble and Olaf! Oh, here he is to the rescue. Oh, hey, I don't like these bubbles. I'm out of here. Oh, thanks so much, Olaf. Unlike that shark, we really like bubbles. Could you send some more bubbles our way? Yeah, sure. Here they come. Oh, yeah. That's perfect, Olaf. Woohoo! We love these bubbles. Oh, man. Bubbles everywhere. It's like a mountain of bubbles. Hey, I can't really see you guys anymore. inside of all those bubbles? Where'd you go? Oh, I think I can find you from inside. I want to go down the rainbow slide now. Woohoo!
Yeah!
My turn. Into the bubbles. Woo! I'm ready for those surprises now. Bring them on. Woo! Here we go. Woo! Surprises everywhere. I'm swimming with surprises. How cool! All right, let's check out these fun surprises. Why don't we start out with our Finding Dory bag? Oh, look at these fun characters like Crush or Hank or Hermit Crab. Let's see who we'll get. Oh, wow! Looks like we got Pearl. What an adorable little sea creature. I love the shiny pink and the big round eyes. Ready to go for a swim, Pearl? You bet. Okay, into the water. All right, what surprise is up next? Ooh, what do we have here? A Ninja Turtle mashup? Can't wait to open this up. Let's see what we've got. Oh boy, I think look at this. It's a foot soldier from Ninja Turtles. Let's give him a squeeze. Whoa, do you see that bubble? How about another one? Ouch, and a stretch. Super stretchy. All right, foot soldier, how about you go down the slide? Here you go. Woo! He rolled right in. All right, let's keep looking. Oh my goodness, a Batman mashup. Let's find out which character we've got. Oh my goodness, who could it be? And they might be all wet. Who's in there? Someone really dark. Oh, this is Catwoman. Look at her mask that makes it yellow. Let's give it a squeeze. Oh, it popped out of her head. What about those bright lips? Whoa, and a stretch. She is super squishy. Okay, Catwoman, see you later. All right, let's dig around in here for some more. Oh, what's this surprise that just popped up? It's a shimmer and shine necklace. Let's tear it open and see what we get. All right, there we go. It's opened up. Let's check out what's inside. Ooh, we've got a guide here. What about all of these necklaces? I'd like to have them all, but let's see which one we have in here. We'll just peel open our bag and slide it out. Here we go. Oh, it's got shimmer on it. And do you see Tala there too? So adorable. All right, let's keep going with our surprises. There's more in here with all these Orbeez. What's this one? Oh, looks like it's a Toy Story mashup. Can't wait to see who's inside. All right, here we go. Who's it gonna be? I'm so excited. Is that who I think it is? It's Woody. Oh my goodness, it's Buzz's best friend, Woody. I love the hat that he has on and his yellow shirt. How about we give him a squeeze? Whoa! Sorry about that, Woody. Let's try to squeeze your hat. Oh, super fun to stretch. So cool. All right, Woody, you ready to go for a swim? No, thank you. Too bad. In you go. Okay, I think we might have one last surprise in here. It won't slip away. What's this? It's a My Little Pony fashion from Series 3. Let's open it up. Who do we think it'll be? I don't know. A cute little pony, I'm sure. I know this pony. We've got Princess Twilight Sparkle. I love her wings and the stripe in her hair. She's super cute. We'll squeeze her too. Ooh, big eyes. And the other side. And a stretch. Oh my goodness. That's so much fun. What's that? You want to go down the slide? Yes, please. All right, here you go. 1, 2, 3, woo! Oh my goodness, I think I see one last surprise in there. Who's that floating around in our bathtub? It's Owlette. Owlette, let's get you out of there. Oh my goodness, let's take a closer look. This Owlette is so red and has some pink in her wings. She's very soft. And she comes on a necklace so you can wear her around. Wow, I bet you'd like to fly on into that bathtub. You bet. Send me in. All right, here you go. Woo!
Super owl wings!
Well, guys, we had a lot of bath time fun with our Paw Patrol squirters. Hey, does anybody remember the name of this Finding Dory character? If so, leave your answer in the comments section. And if you like these bath paint videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Hey Zuma, if I win, could I get your hat?
Yeah! Ruff!
Hey guys, today we're going to learn colors and count our numbers with our Paw Patrol, Paddle, and Mer pups and this fishing game. We've got Sky, Rocky, and Zuma Mer pups. Let's go ahead and look at the colors we have. We have purple, blue, green, orange, and red. Now let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! Our Mer pups are going to play this fishing game. They'll spin the wheel, and whichever color and number it lands on, they'll go fishing for that fish. Let's get started. Hey Zuma, if I win, could I get your hat? Okay Sky, sure. Alright, Zuma's up first. Let's spin. Oh, Zuma landed on the green 3. Let's grab the green fishing pole and fish for green number 3. Here's one. We caught him. Let's take a closer look. Here's a green 3 and he's got stripes. Great job, Zuma. Alright, now it's Rocky's turn. Let's spin for Rocky. Oh, it landed on the blue number 2. This time I'll use the blue fishing pole. Let's grab a blue fish with the number 2. Got it. This blue fish has polka dots on it. Super cute. Alright, Sky, your turn. Oh, Sky landed on the orange number 4. Let's go fishing for an orange 4. Is this one orange? No. Here's an orange 4. We got it, Sky. This one also has dots, and it's pretty big. There you go, Sky. Alright, back to Zuma. Let's spin. He also got an orange 4. Alright, Zuma, here we go. Orange to match your Mer pup fin. Here's an orange fish. Here's another fish with stripes. Chomp chomp. There you go, Zuma. 2 fish for Zuma. Let's spin for Rocky. Oh, we've got a purple 1. We haven't done any of the purple ones yet. Let's catch one. Here we go. Purple is the smallest size we had, and this is stripes. There you go, Rocky. Alright, back to Sky. Let's spin. Oh no, Sky, it landed on an orange 4. But we don't have any more orange 4s. It's Zuma's turn now. Okay, Zuma, let's see if you can get another one. Oh no, another orange 4. Rocky's turn. There, we've got a red 5, Rocky. Let's go fishing for a red number 5. Oh, we got one. Let's see it up close. Wow, that's our largest fish, and he has stripes too. There's our number 5. There you go, Rocky. Rocky's the only one with 3 fish. Let's see if Sky can get another one. We'll spin. Oh, a blue number 2. Great, Sky. We can go fishing for a blue number 2. Here we go. 1 fish for Sky, and it's the blue number 2 with stripes. Now she's got 2. She's tied with Zuma. Just 3 fish left. A purple, a green, and a red. Let's see who's gonna catch those fish. We'll spin for Zuma. Oh, Zuma gets the green number 3. Here you go, Zuma. Got him. Here's the green number 3 fish with dots. Zuma's got 3 fish. Let's see what Rocky can get. Oh, sorry, Rocky. No more blue fish. Let's spin for Sky. All right, Sky. You got a red 5. Let's catch him. Wow, the number 5 fish is so big and really nice red. Way to go, Sky. 1 purple fish left. Who's gonna get it? Let's spin. Not Zuma. He got a red 5. Let's try for Rocky. All right, Rocky landed on the purple 1. Let's catch that fish for him. Way to go, Rocky. Let's see how many fish everybody has. Zuma has 1, 2, 3 fish. Sky has 1, 2, 3 fish. What about Rocky? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rocky's our winner. He has 4 fish. Hey Zuma, even though I didn't win, could I still wear your hat? Of course, Sky. Oh, thank you, Zuma. I love this hat. It makes me want to shake my tail.
Yeah! Ruff!
Whoa, watch where you're going, Rogie. I'm sorry. Hey, did you hear? There's some new Paw Patrol pups in town. Oh, really? Yes, and they're staying in our garage, right here. I heard they'll like to come out if we play the music. Oh, let's try it. All right, let's get the first one out. Oh, it's Sky, and she's in the red garage wearing the red McDonald's hat. Can you guess who's in the green garage? It's the Rocky Merpup in the green garage with the green hat. He's green just like me. That's right, Rogie. How about this yellow garage? Oh, it's Zuma, and he's got an orange badge. Now the blue garage. Whoa, it's the Chase Paddlin' Pup. How's it going, guys? Doing good, Chase. How do you like our garage? Oh, I saw a lot of surprises in there. Let's close the doors and open them back up to get some surprises. What's behind the red door? Whoa, looks like a My Little Pony mashup. Okay, who is it? Let's see. Oh, it's definitely a crystal one. Let's see. Oh my goodness, it's Rarity. And she's a crystal pony. So pretty. She's all clear. I can see her diamond cutie marks and this really crystal clear purple mane and tail. She is so pretty as a crystal pony. Who's behind the green door? It's Rogie. Let's pull him back and see how fast he goes. Whoa, Rogie! Oh, sorry, I crashed and I also knocked down Zuma. Are you okay, Zuma? I'll get you up. There you go. Now the blue door. It's Tayo. Let's see how fast he can move. Whoa, Tayo, so fast. Now it's time for the yellow door. It's a Disney Pixar mashup. Let's see what we've got in this one. Let's get it open. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited. Who is this? I can't tell yet. Who do we have? It's Woody from Toy Story. Look at his super cute cowboy hat and his yellow shirt. Let's squeeze him. Whoa, Woody. Let's see that again. And we'll stretch you out. That's so much fun. Let's close the door again and try to get some more surprises. There we go. Now let's open all the doors at once. Whoa, let's look at all these toy surprises and cars. Look who we have here. It's our friend Mater from the Cars movie. Mater is a tow truck. Let's see how he rolls. Wow, Mater, super cool. All right, over here in red, we have Mr. Lightning McQueen. He is a super fast race car. Wow, let's see how fast he can go here. Ready, Lightning? Whoa, that was fast as lightning. Pretty cool. All right, guys, let's check out these super neat surprises that came out also. First one is a Paw Patrol mashup. Let's see who it is. Okay, I'm so excited. Who do we have here? It's Sky. How cute is she? She's a Cocker Spaniel pup. I'll squeeze her again. Whoa, and she loves to fly. All right, we've got another surprise here. We've got a My Little Pony squishy pop. Let's open it up and see which one it is. All right, peeling it off. And let's see what we've got inside. So we've got another little bag inside. And we'll just rip it open. And we get 2 little green charm jewels. I love how translucent they are. So pretty. All right, close the garage again for more surprises. All right, here we go. Whoa, it's a bunch of blind bags and a chocolate egg. Let's open it all up. I'll start here in the yellow garage. What do we have? Oh, wow, it's a Finding Dory bag. I can't wait to see who we'll get. Will it be Hermit Crab or Hank or maybe Marlin? Let's see. It's Becky. Oh my goodness. Becky is an odd looking one, isn't it? It's really dark purple and look at these pink eyes. So interesting. All right, let's put Becky down and pull out another surprise. How about from the green garage? What's in there? It's a Twosies bag. It says find matching baby and pet friends. Wouldn't that be fun? All right, let's open up. Let's see who we've got. Oh, looks like a little rhino baby, maybe trying to walk. And what's the little pet surprise? It's a bumblebee. Zip. They're super cute together. Okay, couple surprises left. Let's see which one's in the red garage. It's a Series 1 Hello Kitty bag. Let's take a look at the back. It shows us different ones we can get. Like one with cute glasses, or a ballerina, or someone skiing, or playing the guitar. So many fun choices. Well, let's open it up. All right, we've got our bag here. Let's take her out and see. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, look at this one. She's got a pretty pink dress on and a purple crown. Oh, she even looks like she's doing a little curtsy like a little princess. So cute, Hello Kitty. All right, we've got one last surprise in here, and it's our chocolate egg. We've got Poe from Kung Fu Panda on the outside. Let's unwrap him. Okay, there's our chocolate egg, and it's already coming off. But that's okay because we want to see what's inside of it. And then we'll just pop this blue egg open. Oh wow, what do we have here? Let's see what the guide shows us. It shows us some different penguins and things. But what do we have in this bag? Okay, let's take him out and see. Wow, he looks like a wolf as a robot. He's all white except for this really interesting hand he has. I don't know what that does, but it does look like I can make him rock back and forth. Let's try it out. Wow, a little bit. I'll try again from this side. Well guys, that's it for this video. It was so much fun playing with our pups in our Tayo garage and all these fun surprises. Do you remember which one of our characters that Rogie knocked over? If so, leave it in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more from our Tayo bus garage, be sure to subscribe and like. And until next time, bye! Thanks for watching this episode of the Sparkle Spice channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Also, make sure to come back for more fun videos. Thanks for commenting, and I'll see you in the next one. What's up next? What color is this? It's yellow. What ball is next? This is blue. We have one more. What color is this? It's red.